Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm Brian with the Don Natucci Branch Library, and today is Tutorial Thursday.
Tutorial Thursdays.
So every Tutorial Thursday, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do something new. Now, it may be library related, it may be animal related, it might just be random. But every Thursday, I'm going to teach you how to do something new, so make sure you check back every Thursday. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual card on the Free Library's website. Okay, so we're going to move to the screen here now, and you can see I have the Free Library's website up, which is up here in the top, freelibrary.org. Okay, so you see you have a couple options right here, right? Now you can't log in if you don't have a library card, so if you're trying to get one, you can click right here, Get Library Card, and you can actually sign up online. You don't even have to go in person anymore. Okay, and you can see that right here. If you scroll down a little bit, there's 3 different options. You can do the paper application, where you can download it and then fill it out and bring it to the library, but we're closed right now. You do it in person, but we're closed right now. So the only option right now is to go online. You can go online and get the card instantly. Now, you'll see right here, it says your library card will be valid for 30 days until you verify your account. And if you click on this right here, it's going to tell you how you can verify your account. You can verify it through text. In person, again, you can't do that. You would bring your ID into the library card and verify it like that. Or by email or postal mail or even by credit card. Okay, so there's different ways that you can verify your card. So you want to click here, as long as you're over the age of 13. If you're under 13, you can't do it this way. Okay, you have to have your parents' signature on the paper application. Okay, so when you come to this page, you can see it's going to ask you for all your information. Okay, so after I'm done everything, you see you just want to click this box, I'm not a robot. Unless you are a robot, then don't click that box, okay? Alright. Just wait a second, and almost done. So now I gotta confirm my email address. So I have to go log into my email. So when you log into your email, it's going to give you a link, and you just click on that link, and it's going to bring you back to this screen where it says Activate Library Card. Your library card is now activated. Your library card number was emailed to you. Please log in. Then you go back to your email, and it's going to send you another email with your library card number and your PIN number. Okay? And that's basically it. Now you can go back to the main screen and you can click log in. Your library card number and your PIN, and you're in. You got my account, and then you can't do it right now because we're not open, but you can place holds and you can find stuff and see what you have checked out and stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully this helped you, and because you can't get an account right now because we're closed, so hopefully this helped you and you're able to get an account. So when we do open, it'll be there for you. But with this library card, you can use a lot of programs and services, like in the databases. And you click up here where it says Program and Services. You can use your library card for that. So that's why the virtual card is a good thing to have right now. Okay. So I hope this helped you, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye.